No, no,
Barely a photographer.
yeah, barely. Not very bad photographer.
Media cover photo.
Anniversary that you just celebrated here.
I think Julia and I feel very honoured to be able to celebrate our wedding anniversary in the city of love, the city of Princess Sita, destination wedding. So I feel now even more married than I was before. We've been married for 22 years and now I feel that we are properly married in the right place. And I do wish everyone could have this experience. I just wanted to have like
Top
this.
Toby.
Thank you so much.
Ram Marriage Palace.
Where Sita and Ram were married, I feel very kind of a bit of an imposter coming to where Sita and Ram, the perfect man, got married. But I'm doing my best.
You know, are you guys missing your sons?
Of course, yes, we left them behind in Kathmandu, but they're going to see the photos.
And we'll see them tomorrow.
And when they get married, perhaps they'll come down here.
Oh, this needs to go over my head. Oh, sorry, I didn't understand what you were asking. Yes. Hang on.